Thanks for joining us in this series of videos around our 10-step design guide to completing home improvement works. In this short video, we'll be discussing step 3 of the process, which is constructing a realistic budget. How much will my house extension cost? This is the most common question we get asked as architects and designers, and unfortunately there isn't a clear-cut answer. The total build cost will be dependent on things such as quality of kitchen and sanitary ware that you choose, and the structural complexity of the project. Here are 4 facts and stats to help you get started. Number 1, architect fees. As a general guide, architect fees are often around 8 to 12% of your total build costs, if you are using the full range of services. So this is from everything from concept design through to site monitoring. Number 2, we can approximate build costs using a cost per square metre metric. If you're looking to do a single-story extension or a loft conversion, we'd estimate this will be anywhere between £1,500 and £2,500 per square metre. Basement conversions can be a little more expensive, so I'd be budgeting at least £2,500 per square metre of additional floor space you're gaining. Number 3, there are many variables that will affect your total build costs. The most common variables are as follows. Your property age. Period and older properties will often bring unexpected costs and uncover hidden problems that were unforeseen. If you're carrying out building works on older properties, ensure you have a healthy contingency in your budget. We'd recommend at least 15%. Your neighbours. Having a good relationship with your neighbours can help reduce costs and keep your project moving swiftly, especially when your works require a party wall agreement. Your procurement method will have a big effect on how much your build costs are, whether you decide to project manage the project yourself or you reduce the risk by employing a third party to project manage the process for you. Number 4, you'll need to think about what other professional fees you'll incur throughout the project. These could be for party wall surveyors, structural engineers, planning consultants if necessary, and also building control inspections. Now all of this may sound confusing and overwhelming, but we're here to help you. We can manage your home improvement project from start to finish, removing all the hassle and stress from you as the homeowner. Now, if you want to know more about our home improvement process, download our 10-step design guide for free in the link below, or contact us if you'd like to get started with your next project. Stay tuned for the next video in the series, which is Concept Design Explained.